Mastering modal verbs for probability, expressing certainty. Hello language learners. Today we're delving into an exciting area of English language learning. Modal verbs for probability. We'll be specifically focusing on the topic of expressing certainty. Let's unlock the potential of these powerful words and boost your English skills. Modal verbs are auxiliary verbs that express necessity, ability, permission, or probability. Some of the common modal verbs are can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, and must. In this video, we'll focus on using modal verbs to express different degrees of certainty. When we are certain about something in the present, we use must or can't. Must is used when we are sure something is true. For example, he must be at home. His car is in the driveway. Can't is used when we are sure something is not true. For example, she can't be at school. It's a Sunday. For the past, we use must have and can't have to express certainty. Must have is used when we are sure something was true. For example, she must have reached home. It's been hours since she left. Can't have is used when we are sure something was not true. For example, he can't have finished the project. He only started yesterday. In situations where we are not 100% sure, we use might, could, may. For example, he might be at the cinema. She could be studying right now. They may be at the concert. Remember, these modal verbs express less certainty, implying that the speaker believes the action is possible but not definite. Great job sticking with us until the end of this lesson. Now you know how to use modal verbs to express different levels of certainty in English. Remember, practice makes perfect. So try using these modal verbs in your conversations and writings. We're certain you'll master them in no time. Stay tuned for more exciting grammar adventures. Happy learning!